around here.
Yeah, we're in California, Los Tosta. Yeah, that's where all the snails are. We only have slugs and rain.
Alright, so we're going to check around here. Oh, did you guys show them the snails you already caught?
These are our snails that we already caught. They're so cute. Mine's in his shell, but you can see the bottom of him. He's about to pee. That's why there's bubbles coming out of him. Snails do that when they're ready to pee.
Guys, let's look. Come on.
They're like volcanoes. Yeah.
Alright, let's look around for the snails. You guys, you look over there, I'll look over here.
Okay. Do you see any of your friends, buddy?
Alright, let's see. Don't see any guys yet.
My snail says he doesn't see any of his friends. And I don't see any of his friends.
I don't see any of you guys. Let's go check over here, guys.
Whoa, it's a cocoon, I think. Look.
It's a cocoon. It's a cocoon.
He already burst out.
I know.
Wow, that's really
Yeah.
cool. Don't touch it, just let it be for now.
Mhm.
That's really cool. Let's go
Hey,
look.
buddy, did your friend Caterpillar make that? He didn't say anything.
Let's go, guys.
You might know what it is. From Don't Pee on Me? Do not pee on
Let's
me.
go check up here.
Do not
Come
pee
on,
on me,
in the
little
crack.
guy.
Don't pee on me. You understand? Over
This
here.
is where I put my snail. He was hanging out in here. Here's a little tree house that I made. I'm going to make this guy a bathroom.
All right, let's check it out.
I found
Do you
this
guys see
snail.
any
I
snails
found
around
this
here?
snail over here on the rock.
That's
And watch me, I can jump off this. And also a little while ago, we had a caterpillar, and he was in the tree.
And then he climbed up and we didn't find him.
Yep, and sad story, we lost him. No, it's not very sad. It's happy.
All right, guys. I hope you like